Well, we're saying goodbye to our first camper. It's kind of sad.
It is sad.
It's the only one Bailey was ever in.
Yeah. But on to bigger and better things.
Doing one last walk around to make sure everything's good. Oh, see? That's why you walk around.
We're a bit rusty.
You don't want to be rusty when towing a camper?
No. If our neighbors weren't up now, they will be.
Well, it's 9:30. I'm usually cutting the grass by 8:39. Oof, curving it a bit, huh?
A little bit. I'm sure we're forgetting something.
We're forgetting something.
Per the usual. But that's okay. I have checklist upon checklist. Doesn't mean I actually look at the checklist. But we do our best to make sure we're safe, the camper's safe, and the truck's safe. So we do several walkthroughs, walk-arounds, just to make sure we're all hooked up, which is what he's doing right now.
Zoom out. Oh my goodness, you can put a TV here.
Well, how nice. It's so roomy.
This is our new camper. We are thrilled.
Downsizing.
Actually, attach it to a bike
And just pedal
and just
it.
pedal it everywhere. You don't need more than this because you'll be so tired from pedaling.
You'll just have to stop off every couple minutes.
I'm happy we
It's
got
really
this.
good.
This is good.
Goodbye, old camper. It's been fun. Bye. Driving off with something new.
installing our new TPMS system, which Mel got me for Christmas to monitor tire pressures from the cab. Right front. Smells like nitrous. Okay, that was easy enough. Oh, there's more. Oh. What? I don't understand. What do I do here? Would have been nice if, oh, that's, if you read the subject, I'm ahead of myself. Yeesh. So hopefully we can detect any issues early, if there's even gonna be an issue. Obviously if you blow a tire, you're out of luck, so it doesn't really matter. But that's the kind of pessimism I'm trying to avoid. Well, 24 hours later, we're back home, unpacked.
Yep.
See the new camper behind us going to storage. We've not named her.
We have not.
We didn't name the last one.
I keep saying Millie.
Millie?
Millie.
What does that mean?
Well, because it's a 22 MLE.
Millie.